TikTok, YouTube, wherever this lands. Hey, look, I told you I was going to make a new MetaMask real quick, and I'm going to show you how to do it, work it, operate it, whatever you want to say, call it. That's what I'm going to do for you, okay? So here we go. Let's get in. So first, I'm going to create my password and everything, so I'm going to pause right here. Boom, create the password. There we go. Now we're going to secure our seed phrase and everything. I'm going to pause it again. Once you've entered in, once you've gathered your seed phrase, right, your 12 words, right, you take them, write them down, right, then it's going to pop up another screen. It's going to ask you to put them in order. So make sure you put them in order, okay? Don't write it down randomly. Make sure you write it in order, okay? Once it's all done, right, this is what it should say. Congratulations, you passed the test, da-da-da-da-da. Now you're all set, right? I'm going to hit done, and we'll go from there. There we go. We hit done, right? Protect your funds. Your secret recovery phrase controls all of your accounts, okay? With that being said, make sure you write it down, okay? Go make a copy of it. Take one, put it in an envelope, right? Put it in the safe somewheres, leave it in the safe. Take the other copy, go put it somewhere else. Somewhere's random, but somewheres that you know, just in case if something happens to your safe, you always have a backup, okay? Make sure you always have a backup. With this all said and done, I'll show you how to operate, how to switch from ETH to Matic and add Matic and all this other fun stuff. Ready? All right, so what we'll do is, first what you want to do, right, if you're doing NFTs and everything, right, you want to come here, you want to go to settings, right, boom, let's go to settings, right, I want to make sure none of my stuff is showing first. Okay, there we go. You're going to go to network, okay, go all the way down, go to networks. You're going to come here and you're going to add Matic, right, so you're going to change the name. So here, let me do this real quick. I'll add all that real quick, and then I'll come back. All right, so I think MetaMask did it even easier for us. That would be phenomenal. So here we go, right? Add network. If you did it the other way, you had to do it the wow, that easy. There you go. Look at that. So add network, right? There you go. Now you can switch to Matic and everything, and then you can sell your NFTs and everything. They did it way easier, okay? So before in the video, the one prior to this, you had to enter all of that information in just to switch over to a different network and everything. Now it's easier for you guys. All you do is just click it, go up to it, and then hit add. Hit add, excuse me. Wow, way easier for you guys. It's way simpler. I can't even explain it any simpler for you guys. Literally can't. Transfer and everything, I mean, same way as sending from exchange and everything, right? Hit transfer, swap, whatever you want to do, or I'm sorry, not transfer, send, buy Bitcoin, right? Go from there and do all that. So that's that. I mean, I don't have anything else to say. That's how you do it right there. That's how you make a MetaMask and everything. That's how you switch networks. I thought, with the network and everything, we were going to have to add everything, and that's what I was going to show you, but they just upgraded the system, it looks like, and now all you have to do is just hit add, and you're done. That's it. Now you can start doing whatever you want to do and start selling. That's easy.